Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Salsabila Yunaria Perdana, student number 22022 class accounting D. This video is final semester exam assignment about telling my hobby. My hobby is cooking. So today I wanna cooking sayur asem and Perdana.
Check it out.
The ingredients is long beans, shallot, garlic, tamarind, spinach, and masako. First of all, boil water until boiling. Then add garlic and shallot. Wait until fragrant. Add long beans and spinach alternately. Don't forget to add masako, sugar, salt, and tamarind. Then serve. Now I want to cooking the dessert caramel bread. The ingredients is bread, milk, butter, sugar, and water. First step, add sliced bread into the pan. Then fry it without oil or butter until brown and then leave. Second step, add sugar 5 spoons. And water 5 spoons into the pan. Let it boil. After boiling, add butter just enough. Stir until dissolved. Then add milk. Stir until thickened. After thick, add bread which was already fried. Stir until well blend and then serve. Thank you for watching my video.